Hello everyone. Now today we are going to solve exercise 7.2 which is based on section formula. Coordinate geometry class 10 section formula. Okay. Now exercise 7.2. The question is question number 1. Exercise 7.2. It is based on section formula. Now question number 1. Solution. Question number 1 solution. The question is find the coordinates of the point. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3. So question number 1 is इसमें छ point R -1, 7. It can be written as A. Row B is 4, -3. B is 4, -3. In the ratio, in between there is a point P. In between there is a point P. यो उसको बीच में point P छ. So in the ratio 2:3. The question चाहिँ हामीले calculate गर्नुपर्ने छ. We have to calculate point P. Point P. Calculate. It is given, ratio given, point A given and point B given. Now this point divides the line segment in the ratio 2:3. यो point ले चाहिँ यो line segment लाई 2:3 मा divide गरिएको छ. Means okay. Now first this point be x, y. Your point x, y. This point is x1, y1. And this point is x2, y2. Okay. Let the point of coordinate P be x, y. This is x, y. यो चला x, y consider करूँ, which divides the line segment joining the points A -1, 7 and B 4, -3 are in the ratio 2:3. Okay. P be a point which divides the line segment joining the points in the ratio 2:3. यो P चाहिँ यस्तो खालको point हो जसले चाहिँ यो लाइन सेगमेन्टलाई 2:3 मा डिवाइड गरिएको छ. यो लाइन सेगमेन्टलाई AB लाइन सेगमेन्टलाई 2:3 पार्ट मा डिवाइड गरेको छ. Means now we have to calculate first x. After that we will calculate y. So now by using section formula, now x equals to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So what is m? M is 2 and n is 3. So x1 is -1 and y1 is 7. x2 is 4 and y2 is -3. Now put the value put करूँ. So x equals to m is 2, then x2 is 4 plus n is 3, x1 is -1 divided by what is the value? 2 plus 3. So x equals to 2 into 4 is 8, plus into minus is -3 divided by 2 plus 3 is 5. So this equals to 8 minus 3 is 5 by 5, 5, 1, 5, 5, 1, 5. So this equals to 1. So x is 1 and y equals to formula is my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So y equals to m is 2, y2 is -3 n is 3, y1 is 7 divided by 2 plus 3. So y equals to 2 into 3 is 6, but plus into minus is minus, plus 3 into 7 21 divided by 2 into 3 is 6. So y equals to not 6, 2 plus 3 is 5. Y equals to 15 by 5, 15 1 5 1 5 5 3 15. So this equals to 3. So we'll get x and y. हामीले x and y दुईटै पायौं. हामीलाई चाहिएको छ x y, x and y. Therefore point of coordinate P x comma y equals to x को value कति छ 1. So 1 and y is 3. So this is the answer. So question number 1. Now next question number 2. Question number 2. In question number 2, find the coordinates of the point. Question number 2. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining 4, minus 1. Okay. First, we have to draw the line segment. हामीले line segment बनाउनु पर्यो. It is A and it is B. So A is 4, minus 1 and B is minus 2, minus 3. Minus 2, minus 3. Okay, find the coordinates of the point of trisection. Point of trisection means यो लाइनलाई, this line divides into 3 equal part. This line divides into 3 equal part. यो लाइनलाई 3 equal part मा divide गरिएको छ. So 3 equal part. This is 1 part and this is 2 part. This is point P and this is point Q. अब हामीले यहाँनिर हेर्दाखेरि this is 1 part. This is 1 part means यतापट्टि 1 part बाँचेको छ is 2. यतापट्टि रह्यो 2 part. So 1:2. For Q 1 part 2 part. यहाँनिर 2 भयो is 2. Remaining part is 1 part 2:1. Now P divides the line segment AB into 1:2 ratio. र P ले चाहिँ AB लाई 1:2 ratio मा divide गर्छ. So Q ले चाहिँ 2:1 ratio मा divide गर्छ. We need to calculate the coordinate of P and Q. Point of coordinate P and Q. अब हामीले P र Q coordinate निकाल्नु पर्छ. Let P divides, यस्तो केही नलेखी बसौं. P and Q be the points. P and Q be the points which divides the line segment A 4, minus 1 and B minus 2, minus 3 are in the ratio 1:2 and 2:1. 1:2 and 2:1. Now P and Q be the points. P the QG points Q points so which divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:2 and 2:1. Why 1:2 and 2:1? Because these line segments divides into 3 equal parts. this line segment divides into 3 equal parts. Means this is one part, remaining part is 2 parts. So 1:2. Your एउटा part भयो, the remaining part is 2 part. After this 1 2, so 1:2. यहाँ गयो भने 1 2, this 2 part, remaining part is 1 part. Now first calculate the coordinate P. Now coordinate P हामीले यसरी गर्न पनि सक्छ. Now coordinate P in the ratio 2:1, 1:2, 1:2 equals to direct formula लेख्न सक्छ. दुईटैको फर्मुला mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. ओके, यहाँनिर हामीले x र y को भ्यालु निकालेर इन्डिभिजुअल भ्यालु निकालेर हाल्नु भन्दा चाहिँ यसरी गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ अलिक छोटो हुन्छ. यसरी गर्दा चाहिँ अलिक छोटो हुन्छ भनेपछि यसरी पनि हामी गर्न सक्छौं. यो भनेको x हो, यो भनेको y हो. लास्टमा गएर पनि हामीले यही कुरा लेख्ने हो. So now put the values for this m. This is n. So m is 1, x2 is -2, n is 2, x1 is 4 divided by 1 plus 2. The next is m is 1, x2 is y2 is -3 plus n is 2, y1 is -1 divided by 1 plus 2. So this equals to 1 into -2 plus 2 4 8 divided by 3 comma 1 into -3 plus into minus 2 1s are 2 divided by 3. So this equals to 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 by 3 is 2. This is -5 by 3. This is coordinate point P. यो हामीले निकालिसक्यौं. Similarly, we can calculate coordinate Q. Coordinate Q and coordinate Q in the ratio 2:1 and point of coordinate Q in the ratio 2:1. In this case m equals to 2 and n equals to 1. यो केसमा m equals to 2, n equals to 1. So this equals to now direct formula mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Now put the values. Value put करूँ. m is 2, x2 is -2 plus n is 1, x1 is 4 divided by 2 plus 1 comma m is 2, y2 is -3 plus n is 1, y1 is -1 divided by 2 plus 1. This equals to 2 1 2 -2 plus 4 divided by 3, 2 1 2 minus 2 3 6 minus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. So this equals to 2 by 3 comma minus 6 minus 7 by 3. This is the answer. Okay, this much for today.